Hello, my name is Jake and welcome to Sheet Plastics. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of installing SuperGlaze secondary glazing. The SuperGlaze system features a moulded PVC durable frame with mitered corners and a concealed fixing channel for screws. A cover strip snaps in and hides the screws for a cleaner look. The system is designed to be user-friendly. When it comes to cost efficiency, SuperGlaze stands out from other secondary glazing solutions. It's a budget-friendly method that significantly enhances insulation. Furthermore, by bolstering insulation and curbing further heating, SuperGlaze contributes to a reduction in carbon footprint. Purchase complete packs or individual lengths on our website, sheetplastics.co.uk. We offer precision, cut-to-size polycarbonate panels. SuperGlaze can be mounted to the window sash or to the window frame for insulation. For this installation, you'll need the following tools: a tape measure, a small tooth saw, a mitre block, pen and paper, cleaning wipes, and M3 screws. The screws are included within your SuperGlaze pack. Measure the dimensions of the visible glass area of your current window. Make sure to measure the height and the width, adding 16mm to each side. This will determine the new size of your secondary glazing. Make sure there's an available 20mm of flat mounting space around each side of the window. When it comes to measuring how much SuperGlaze you need, make sure you add 39mm onto all measurements on each side of the window. Once you know exactly how much secondary glazing and SuperGlaze you need, please visit www.sheetplastics.co.uk and order the correct glaze and accessories kit. Insert the cover strip into the base section, measure one side of your sheet, add 23mm and cut the SuperGlaze trim square. Repeat for each side using appropriate lengths for both vertical and horizontal pieces. Place the SuperGlaze base into the mitre block. Use a fine-tooth saw to cut a 45-degree mitre at each end inwards. Do this for every length of the SuperGlaze. Remove the SuperGlaze from the mitre block and ensure you mark each side of the base and cover to align later. This is so you know what base attaches to which cover. Attach the SuperGlaze to the edge of the sheet, ensuring smooth mitered corners and straight lines. If the panel fits loosely in the frame, trim a small section from the mitered end of each base on the corresponding side. Clean the panel and the window before mounting the panel into the frame. Secure the SuperGlaze frame to your window frame using M3 screws through the screw holes in the base. Reattach the cover strips to each base, starting with the inside leg, then pressing down and outwards. Avoid using a hammer for this step. And that concludes our guide. Thanks for watching, and for more information, visit www.sheetplastics.co.uk.